Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over some online ordering appearance settings. So this will be setting the logo and the banner. And just so you know how to get here, it's the admin portal, hrpos.heartland.us. Go to your menu up here at the top left, looks like a hamburger. And then you go to location setup. And then the second one down here is online ordering. Okay, so if you want to set the logo, you click on it. You can upload pictures by pressing this here. Then it will go to whatever file path you want to select. I have some that I already imported. Now, if I wanted to get rid of one of these, I could just hit the trash can and get rid of it. But let's say I want to select this one as our logo. I would select that one and then set banner. I've got a couple in here. I'm just going to pick this one. And now I've got the banner in there. Now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and select the save button. Make sure you got your save successful there. And then publish changes. And then you can check out what it looks like by clicking this button here to open up your online ordering page. Cancel that, but then you can see there we have the Anthem. Now obviously this is going to look different. There's a logo up there. This is going to look different on phones. Of course, phones are different sizes nowadays. Or if you have a bigger monitor, it's going to look bigger too and look different. So you just want to be wary of that when you are making these banners and logos. But that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.